Hey everyone. I cannot zoom in this mode. Anyway, like my pigtails? Sorry. So today I wanted to talk about an exercise that I did last year in 2017 that helped me figure out what my goals actually were because I never took the time to sit down and figure out what I actually wanted in life. So this exercise comes from Pat Flynn's book, Will It Fly? Super awesome book. I think he got it from an author of another book called The One Thing, which is also a really good book. But this was definitely a game changer for me, and I hope that it would be for you guys as well. So if you're having any issues with trying to figure out what you really want in life, grab a sheet of paper and a pen. Pause this video. I'll give you a second. Go get it. Hi, are you back? So mine's right here. It's already written on because this is the one from last year that I did, and what I decided to do was highlight certain things that I can work on this year. But basically what you're going to do is fold that paper in half and then fold it once more in half. Just like, I have one hand, but just like this. Okay? It doesn't have to have the pretty heading or anything. All you need is 4 squares to write on. Excuse me. So what you're going to want to do is pretend that you time traveled 5 years into the future and appeared at an airport, maybe at a bar, next to an old friend of yours that you haven't seen in many years. And you turn around and they say, "How have you been? What's been going on?" And you say, "It's been great. Life's been great." You explain to them what's been going on. Why is life so great? What's going on that's making your life amazing right now? You want to think about it as the most ideal future for you possible. So in 5 years, what would be your ideal life? So you want to grab your pen, pick 4 categories that are very important to you in your life. So mine right here, mine are friends and family, personal development, health, and finances and career. I'll give you a second. Pause the video if you need to. Got it? Got it? So once you've written those down, in each box, what you want to do next is think about what you're going to tell your friend about each category. So for example, under my health category, I have a whole slew of things, but a few examples are: I'm more energetic than I have ever been. I'm strong mentally and physically. I do weekly physical activities with people that I love to be around. I make healthy eating decisions. I inspire others to make the same good choices as well. I meditate every morning, and I have a clear and confident mind when I approach every single day. I'm virtually stress-free and happy, and etc., 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 etc. Can't say the word. You want to do that for each and every category. And I have a lot. I'll show you here. Sorry for my finger being in the way. There's a lot there for me. So don't worry if you overfill it, or it's kind of nice too if it's simpler. That way you don't have to focus on so much. So just fill those out, see where it goes. Take your time with it. This is important. This is your future we're talking about. So take your time. Don't just like jot a couple things down and throw it to the side. I actually kept this paper in my bullet journal for my whole year, and every month I would open it up, reread it, see if I'm going in the right direction. And it helped me clarify my monthly goals as well. And now it's helping me to continue my yearly goals for 2018 and my monthly goals and so on. So I really encourage you guys to try this out. It's been a life changer for me. It's very helpful. I have a very scattered brain, and for me to just write it down on paper, write my goals down on paper in this organized way, it just made a huge difference. So let me know if this helped. I'll put the book in the description below if you guys are interested in reading it. It's business oriented, but this exercise is super helpful for business and or for just life in general. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Let me know what some of your goals are. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.